So I'll be showing you how to pause Instagram Reels. So if you're watching Instagram Reels, let's tap on Reels and let's have a look at some of the Instagram Reels here. So now if you're watching a reel like this one and you want to pause, you just have to tap and hold. That's going to pause the reel, and when you let go, it's going to continue. Touch and hold, that's going to pause the reel, and then you can let go to continue. Now you could be watching a reel and you can see the graphic here that shows how far the reel has gone. You can use that to scrub through different sections of the reel, and if you touch and hold that, it also pauses the reel, and then when you let go, it will continue from where you paused it at. So that's another way to pause Instagram Reels. Okay, two methods. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.